This out. No one saw it coming. R&B legends TLC crashed a performance at a St. Louis hotspot.
This was a once-in-a-lifetime moment. All of this caught on camera, and of course it went viral.
Fox 2's Kelly Hoskins is here with how it all unfolded and why one singer from our area says this changes everything for her.
Exciting night. Exciting.
Yeah.
Right here in St. Louis. Well, I spoke with Tish Period, who's been featured on national TV before, and she tells me nothing can compare her night. TLC crashed her set. A viral video shared thousands of times shows a surprise visit that sparked one of St. Louis artist's dream, singer Tish Period. She was performing TLC's hit Waterfalls at Broadway Oyster Bar when the legendary group stopped their tour bus after hearing the song being performed and walked in. T-Boz and Chilli jumped on stage and joined the performance, turning an ordinary night into an unforgettable concert.
Sunday night was just a special night. Never in a million years would I have ever thought that TLC, my teenage icons, would walk in while I'm singing their song. I was honored and privileged, first of all, to even have the opportunity. Everything just happened strategically. I moved that song to my second set. I just still believe that if it were, however it was, God was just gonna make sure that it happened to where I was able to see TLC. And we're dancing, and next thing you know, I got Chilli standing here looking at me. 4 or 5 seconds later, T-Boz walks in, and I really thought I had saw a ghost. Fainting, I felt like crying, I felt like just everything. I felt like shouting, like I just was so happy to just have that experience.
Well, Jasmine and Andy, what a night, a dream come true for the powerhouse singer right here in our area.
I'll tell you what, not just for her, what if you were there?
Yeah.
To
witness
watch her
that
and then those two
moment.
just hop off the bus and walk in.
Unbelievable.
I've got all their songs in my head from high school.
Yeah. I got goosebumps just watching it, Kel.
All right. Thanks so
Pretty
much.
awesome.
Great.
Thanks.